just one thing after another. Like, I could literally go on and on and on about it, but you know, it would just sound like I'm complaining at this point, and I'm not gonna do that. So much love. Thank you. Next, thank you. Next, thank you. I'm so grateful for my ex. What's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today is Vlogmas day 11, and it's starting off already a little crazy. I just dropped my vlog camera and the screen like kind of shattered, so that's fun. It still works though. I just have like a big line across. It actually looks right now like I'm missing a tooth because there's like a little black square like where my teeth are. That's kind of funny. But yeah, I just got back from breakfast. Actually, I had breakfast with my grandparents and mom. So yeah, we're just gonna chill now, make some slime for Slime Mania, and that's about it. My mom is packing up stuff to send to my brother to Japan because he wants to make like tamales and stuff. So like, yeah, and I'm like sending him a bunch of zebra cakes, so it's fun. I actually just got myself a Nintendo Switch too, so I'm really excited. I'm gonna set this up real quick. I actually bought it so that I'm entertained on the way to Slime Mania because it's in California, and that's a far drive from Texas, so I'm excited. I am just really freaking out on how like advanced technology is now. This is ridiculous. I never thought I'd be playing Pokemon like this.
Joseph discovered we can put this Switch on the TV. So yeah.
So we've been packaging up slimes, and I've been playing Pokemon on my Nintendo Switch, and I'm loving it so far. It's so crazy because you can actually, well, as you saw already because my mom filmed it, you can plug it into the TV. I think that's kind of cool. So this is all the slime that we have packaged so far. We have the Unicorn Christmas Fudge. I love the label on this one. And then of course we have Chanel. These are still gonna be labeled like with the names, but these have them on there so far. If it'll focus. And then we have Mud Mask. We have some 32 ounces here that are labeled. And then we have this one right here. Love that. So we're gonna just like keep packaging slime and start labeling them. This is like a trend right now on Instagram. Not sure why or how, but I think it's satisfying. Right now we're actually on our way to the post office because we're gonna drop off all the boxes to my brother, and then we are gonna pick up my little brother from school, and we are going to head to a restaurant because it's actually my grandfather's, well, it's not his birthday today, it's on the 13th, but we're gonna be celebrating it today because we won't be here the 13th. We'll be on our way to Slime Mania, so let's go. Hi Ratchet Girl, she's smiling. Say hi Aiden. Say hi KK. Y'all are crazy. Let's see how long y'all can go. Go. Keep going. I'm gonna time y'all. See how long you can go.
I'm recording, Kay. Oh. Hi, people. I'm America.
Say hi. Say hi. Just got home from dinner right now, and I actually went to a couple of stores and got something, so I'm gonna kind of show you what I got. Okay, so I went to Joann's Fabric, right? Look what I found. I found 1, 2, 3, 4 Karina Garcia slimes. Craft City. I am so excited. They're kind of holiday themed too. So this one here is vanilla pear, winter mint, sugar cookie, and peppermint twist. Y'all know I love Karina. She's one of my best friends. So I'm really excited. Every time I see her like at Target or at Joann's or something, I have to snatch it, even if it's something that I already have. I don't have those slimes though, so I'm really excited. Those are the only ones that I saw at Joann's. I'm not too sure if those are the only ones that are carried at the Joann's, but those are the only ones that I saw, so I snatched them. And then also while I was at Joann's, I told y'all, right, that I've been looking for like a little house to put next to my little white tree. And I found one. I think this is super, super cute. And it was on sale, so I had to snatch. I think it's really cute. It has a little bell up there. I love it. It's cute. It's glittery. I feel like it kind of matches. A lot of stuff had like multicolored things, and this one is just basically mostly white and kind of like this blue color with a little bit of greenery, so I feel like it'll match my stuff kind of good. Okay, so I'm playing with the vanilla pear right now, and it's literally so good. It smells amazing. I can't stop. And those bubble pops. Did you hear holding in the background? I'm sure you did. I love it. It feels like a jelly slime, and it came avalanched, so you got to like mix it together. That was so fun. Okay, so I put the batteries in the lights, and I pre-cut my garland. This is gonna go like where my Santa thingy is. So I'm just gonna wrap this little thing up real quick. I think it looks pretty. Here's how my entertainment center area is looking right now. I think it's pretty cute, and it's literally lit. Alrighty y'all, well that is pretty much it for this vlog. I am exhausted. I'm going to play some Nintendo Switch and go to sleep, to be honest. So yeah, thank you for watching the vlog. I love you very much. I hope that you're enjoying these daily vlogs, even though if it's boring or whatever, you know, just, you get a little bit more insight to, I guess, my life. Me as a person, I guess it's kind of cool. I like to watch like vlogs, even if the person's just like out shopping or like packing slime. Like if it's a slimer that vlogs, I love that. So hopefully you like that too. Let me know in the comments. I just want to know. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all tomorrow with a brand new vlog. Bye! What's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today is Vlogmas Day 12, and I know I look like a hot wreck mess, trash human being right now. But I am actually doing some laundry. I woke up a little bit earlier than normal this morning doing laundry. I am like trying to start packing and get my clothes like situated all over the house, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just doing that right now. We will see how today goes. I have to pack a couple of slimes and just basically getting ready for slime mania. Hey y'all, so it is literally 11 p.m. right now. I've had such a crazy day, and I kind of need to update you. First of all, I feel like I look very shiny right now. I actually had a microdermabrasion appointment today, so I got microdermabrasion. This is my second time getting it. So if I'm a little bit oily looking, that is why, because I have like oils on my skin to help it heal from the microdermabrasion. So yeah, I filmed a little bit on my phone. My aunt filmed it, so I'll insert a couple clips here.
It looks like super, like you can see it right here where it's almost diminished. Like other than just like there, we have a little bit more to go, and that's it.
So you would say it's definitely like on the surface?
Oh yeah. There might be a little bit deeper, but I mean not very much at all. And yes, you did still have some dead skin from your peel.
Oh, do I?
Yes,
that's
a
crazy.
little bit. Yep, I can see it just coming off, like just little pieces that were stuck.
I really just need to like update you all on this day. This day has been insane. First of all, we were trying to like package the rest of the slimes that we had for Slime Mania, right? So that was going well. Then it came time to like print the labels, like the name labels, so you know everybody knows what slime it is. And my printer broke. It literally just stopped printing for some reason. It printed one label and then just broke. I have no idea what happened. So we went to go get a printer. That for some reason took forever, and I forgot my camera, so I couldn't vlog any of it. It has just been a day, one of those days, you know what I'm saying? Like just one thing after another. Like I could literally go on and on and on about it, but you know, it would just sound like I'm complaining at this point, and I'm not gonna do that. So yeah, it's just been a crazy day. But I did get my microdermabrasion done, and that was kind of fun. I got to relax for a little bit, so that was good. So right now I'm actually just gonna do like some last minute packing, because I've been gone all day basically, and I haven't got to like finish packing. I haven't finished like washing my clothes and things like that. Filming some videos, also editing the vlogs. So like, I don't know what I'm gonna do, to be honest, by the time you're seeing this. I don't know. I still don't know. I promise I will try not to forget my camera again. It was just one of those days, like I said. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all in tomorrow's vlog, where we're headed to California for Slime Mania. So I will see you tomorrow. I love you. Bye.